Do you know that if you don't file a tax return, the IRS can file one for you? But don't be fooled. This isn't a favor. It is one of the hardest steps the IRS can take against you. It is called a substitute for return, or SFR, and it falls under the Internal Revenue Code 6020. And trust me, if you're in this situation, you need to act fast. What is IRC 6020 and how does it impact you? IRC 6020 has two key sections. 6020A, this is when you work with the IRS to file a return, you provide that information, and they prepare the return, and you sign it. Sounds fair, right? But here's the catch, it's rarely used. 6020B, this is where most the SFR falls. The IRS files a return without your input. They use third-party information like W-2s, 1099s, but they leave out crucial deductions, credits. The result, a massive tax bill, often far more than what you actually owe. What happens when the IRS files an SFR? Here's what the IRS doesn't do when they file an SFR under 6020B. They don't include your deductions like mortgage interest, business expenses, or dependents. They don't give you tax credit that could potentially lower your tax liability. They use the highest tax rate possible, inflating what you owe. And they do classify you under the least favorable filing status, often single or married filing separately. This isn't just about numbers on paper. Once the IRS processes an SFR, penalties and interest start piling up. And if you don't take actions, things can get much worse. The consequences of ignoring an SFR. If you don't challenge an SFR, here's what the IRS can do next. Wage garnishment, they take money directly from your paycheck, bank levies. They seize money straight from your bank account. Tax liens, your assets, including your home, could be at risk. Ignoring an SFR doesn't make it go away. It makes it worse. But here's the good news. You can fight back. If the IRS has filed an SFR against you, you need to act now. Here's how we can help. We file a corrected tax return to replace the SFR and reclaim all your deductions and credits. We can negotiate with the IRS to reduce penalties and set up manageable payment plans. Stop aggressive collection actions before they disrupt your life. Take action before it's too late. The IRS doesn't wait, and neither should you. If you have received an SFR notice, give us a call, 1-866-907-1845. The sooner you act, the better the chances of reducing what you owe and stopping IRS collections. Don't let the IRS decide your tax bill for you. Take control, reach out.